This is for a Ninja 650, Ninja 400. There's the number TKPR04. Should fit the ZH2. Let's take a look at what we got. Now, I did get one from AliExpress, which I've already sent that back because the material's not as good. The etching isn't as fine. It's a little not as detailed. Doesn't have the Italian sticker on it. And then the opening of it was a lot harder. I don't know. The way that it felt and the way that it moved just felt cheap. And so the one from AliExpress was, I think, $40. This one was $110. So, you know, it's almost 3 times the cost. But you don't really want to have fuel leakage issues and fuel tank issues. I've seen some other people that put on cheap gas caps and the seal isn't right. Doesn't have the spacers for you. And you start leaking fuel when the tank's full. And that's a bad situation. So let's get checking on this and just get it installed. So one thing we're going to do is we're going to check this little bolt here. Make sure that's nice and tight. Look at that. Oh, it spins so nicely and nice and tight. The other one that came from AliExpress was loose. Isn't that nice? So on the ZH2 you have 3 that are fake and 4 that are real. So you just put in the bolt, the spacer. They come with these little tiny O-rings to keep it from falling in the gas tank when you flip it over, which is really good. So like you can see right there, it's got the bolt. Put that on. We have the spacer. This little tiny O-ring. So you gotta be careful with it. Ooh. All right. And then we got our breather tube. All right. Now to tighten these extra bolts, they are a 3/16. And then the top heads are a 3mm. The one on the bike is a 4. So we need the key. Pop the lid. Be on the safe side. We're gonna stuff a rag in the hole so that way I don't accidentally drop anything in it. I'm gonna loosen all 4 bolts. All right, we're gonna pull this bad boy out. So check it out. Difference, huh? So it is locking. This one is not. You gotta push in, twist, comes right off. You don't have to put, when you lock it, you don't have to push in. I mean, look at just, it's so much nicer. Now you could paint that and have it all black. That'd be fine. I like the black. I like the green. So, I mean, you could do some customization with that if you wanted. So you do have this ring here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Just a little silicone, don't need much. That's optional, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. The tube will go inside the breather. I'm just gonna push it in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out because we gotta worry about nothing falling in there. So now, I'm gonna try and not pinch that hose. Let's push it around. So you could cut the hose. I'm gonna try and see if I can just leave the hose. Making sure it's not being pinched. And just kind of, you know, distribute the screw down. Try and keep it a little even. And with the AliExpress one, without the spacers there, you could just keep tightening it and tightening it until you didn't know when to stop. There's a gasket. You need sufficient pressure on that gasket. And without the spacers, you don't know how much you just keep tightening until you destroy the gasket. Look at there. Bam. Man, that looks nice. Look how nice that looks. So that green's really close. Alright, just add a little silicone to this O-ring here. So one thing you notice is this O-ring is green. That means it's very, when O-rings are green, that means they're some of the highest withstanding chemical rubbers there are. So like one of the top or upper ones. I mean, there's other colors, but the one that came with the AliExpress was just black. Look at that. So pretty. Quick action system. Well, thanks for watching. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. And I'm going to be making some more videos about this bad girl. Alright, so we're using our quick fill. First time I think I've used it. Easy peasy.